These are the new 2025 Denago lithium powered golf carts. I'm going to show you each model. We have all of them. They don't last long in our inventory, they sell quickly. So here is the non-lifted Nomad. As you see, it's got smaller wheels and tires. It's more golf course friendly for most golf courses, as far as non-lifted, not off-road tires. Then you have the lifted Nomad, I'll call the XL, meaning lifted and off-road tires. Also has the flip down rear seat, so you can use it for cargo. 25s also have the new touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, FM radio. You can Bluetooth your phone through it, disc brakes, independent suspension. Notice the lithium battery. Then you go up to the Rover XL, facing forward. Overall, similar features, to the Nomad. Just have the forward seating configuration. Also has a sound bar in the back, like you see, so it sounds pretty cool. You can also Bluetooth your phone through it. Then you go up to the double XL, which is 6 facing forward. Otherwise, similar features to the XL Rover. And then, one of our more popular than the rest is the XL6. So it's got 4 facing forward, 2 facing backward. So you get the same as the Nomad with the seat that folds down so you can put your stuff on it. Otherwise, same features as the double X and the X. This one is now becoming very popular because people like the seating configuration more so than this one, the double X. They like the XL6 a little bit better. It's a little shorter wheelbase, this one is also, than the double X. Personally, I like the look of this one better also. Just personal preference though. But yeah, you got disc brakes front and rear, independent coilover shock suspension, lithium battery, storage capacity. It has lots of area in the XL6. Also, lots of cubby storage scattered throughout. Little storage bin here as well. Floor mats come with many models. Not all of them. It's got running boards on the side. Sound bar also. Something different with the Rover XL and double X is this little trunk region. You get a little trunk storage that can be removed also. You can take that off and put your golf bags. Some of these come with golf bag holders. Some of them are extra. Some of them are optional. So it depends on your make and model and your dealership for that. These have become very popular for us because we're an authorized Club Car, Star, Tomberlin. We're authorized dealers of many nice carts, but the Denagos have really swept the nation in popularity. Good features, nice pricing. They're imported, but they're assembled in South Florida and South Texas. So we've been very pleased with these. In the year we have been selling them, 2024 early is when we started selling Denagos. So yeah, come see us. Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia. You'll see our website, golfcarsofwoodstock.com. Phone number 770-727-0390. Come see us. We're also a Club Car dealer and Star dealer and now a Cushman dealer. Notice, got a few Cushmans in the commercial line. So yeah, come see us. You can see John or Dave in sales Shoot us an email also. You'll see social media links in the description. And you'll see the phone number as well in the description. Y'all come see us. Y'all have a good time this summer. Get your golf cart on. We're on Highway 92, 1 mile east of Main Street, about 2 miles east of I-575 in Woodstock, Georgia. Good times are coming this spring. We hope to see y'all soon.